I also need to expand on the button I've been wearing all day. Ask me about the Vint Hill book vending machine. I was at a very nice ribbon cutting this morning, and this button allowed our director of libraries to spare the feeble-minded supervisor the indignity of wearing a string around his finger all day. That said, we have a wonderful new facility in the gym at Vint Hill that is, in fact, a vending machine. And if you have your library card, or if you have your phone with the library app on it, you can go, put it in the slot, open the door, and extract from one of the books that are there. And this is a really, really nice way to extend service to an area in the community that is underserved with library services. A lot of the folks in New Baltimore, Vint Hill, Brookside are either having to come all the way up to Warrenton, or a lot of them probably use Prince William library services. And this is an area where we need this badly. And it's really cool. You just pull the books out, close the door, it does an inventory, gives you a receipt, tells you what book you just got. And when you bring it back, it's the same thing. You put the book back in it, it gives you a receipt, says your check back in. They also have a drop-off there for non-vending machine books. If you've gotten something up here and you want to return it, you can put it in that bin and they'll bring it back up here. They have couriers running. I think it's really important to note, beyond just that it's great that our library board has done this and that Maria and her staff have put it together, this was funded half and half by ARPA funds from our most recent challenge, and by the PATH Foundation, which I'm very grateful to them for stepping up as well. So this was a great team effort. Our folks from Parks and Rec made this happen in their facility there, the gym. And I love seeing everybody pull together and provide more services to folks. So I would encourage anybody in that area to go check this vending machine out. It is a very nice thing to add to our services. So